How would you like to have 50 or even 100 people show up to your next open house event? Well, watch the rest of this video to learn the secrets. Welcome to From the Field Friday. I'm Dan Forsman. Our company started Mega Open House events 3 years ago. Every year and every event, they get better and better. In 2018, we hosted 15 Mega Open House events that averaged 350 open houses each time, and we welcomed over 20,000 visitors to our beautiful listed properties here in Greater Metropolitan Atlanta and North Georgia. Our reach to potential buyers is even larger. Part of the magic of the Mega Open House is the pre-event and post-event marketing to our neighbors. These efforts, connected with thousands more potential buyers, help facilitate referrals. After all, people who live in the community are often the best source of finding their new neighbors. Our teams implement a comprehensive series of marketing efforts 1 to 2 weeks before each Mega Open House event. The result is maximum exposure and more buyers and visitors for our open house listings. Here are a few stories from our associates.
Our Mega Open House event was a huge success. We had 107 people walk through the door, and we received multiple offers from folks who attended that day. I worked very hard with the sellers to meet their deadline to list the house specifically for our Mega Open House. So we listed the home on Friday, we had showings all day Saturday, and the Mega Open House was on Sunday. By Monday 10 a.m. we had received 10 offers, and we definitely attributed that to the Mega Open House. So we worked to create a party environment and then invited everyone in the neighborhood. My sellers posted about their open house on Nextdoor. I posted on Facebook. We boosted on Facebook as well. So we had a tremendous attendance to the open house. One of the things that the sellers appreciated most with this Mega Open House event was seeing all of the advertising supported by Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. So every time they went onto their social media, they kept seeing advertisements for their very own home for the Mega Open House event. They felt great that they had worked so hard in order to take advantage of that wonderful opportunity.
So I think the reason why we had such a successful open house was a combination of a few things. To begin with, the sellers were fantastic. Anything that we asked for them to do in order to make the house more presentable was immediately done. But then we had, of course, everything that Berkshire Hathaway does for us. We had the Mega Open House on Facebook, which brings in a lot of interest in the properties that are shown. I also do a Facebook post, and I boost it in order to get as many likes as I can on that property. Signs, we have great Mega Open House signs that we put within the surrounding area. Spacio is a great tool that we use for our Mega Open House to have people that come in, they just register once and all of their information is there for us, so the follow-up is fantastic. Plus, walking the neighborhood, going door to door, inviting some of the neighbors to come and take a look at the properties. We actually had one neighbor that ended up wanting to buy the property. Berkshire Hathaway gives us so many amazing tools that we can use to make an open house successful. A lot of business that I have done comes from the open houses.
I recently hosted a Mega Open House event, and it was very successful. We had 58 people come through the open house, and we had multiple offers that same day. Really leveraged the sponsored ads that the company provides for us, including Zillow, Instagram, Facebook sponsored ads, Google, Waze. The day of the open house, our open houses are actually sponsored on Waze, which is an awesome tool. So that really made it successful.
Nobody does open houses like we do Mega Open House events. As we move into 2019, we are planning new ways to make these events even bigger and more prosperous for you, your clients, and customers. If you or someone you know is considering listing their home Contact us to learn more about how mega open house events attract more buyers and sell listings quicker. If you're considering a career in real estate, please contact us to learn how mega open house events can take your business to that next level. I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember, every day and every way, you can get better and better.